August 25th card opening. Let's roll for some packs. 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have our Gypsy King Chrome. 6, 2, 4, 6. Collector's Choice. 7, 2, 4, 6. Original 67 card. One more. Some more unique stuff here. It's 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2016. Okay, we're gonna get set up here. It's a cooler, overcast day. Okay, we have our typicals. I think I'm gonna save the Chrome, the original 67 card, for last, which would probably mean we are going to do something like this. Let's start with Collector's Choice. Some kids having fun in the background. It happens. Danny Jackson, Pat Rapp, Bill Pulser, Joy Reid, Brian Anderson, Drone, Royce Clayton, Todd, Benia Mario, Duncan, Greg Gagne. No one in particular fighting there. Move on. 2016 Heritage High Number. So looking for the Trevor Story rookie here. We found a lot of pretty good rookies though. So I'm gonna have to sit on these. Robert Stevenson being the high number. Okay. 2021 Series 2 Retail. Looks like we have a rainbow foil here. Luis Garcia. Josh Fleming. So, rainbow foil rookies. We're not going to say no to. Stadium Club. Global Thrill, which I'm sure I pulled like 4 times now. That's the loon on the lake. Ian Anderson. Trevor Rogers. Trying to strike out Ronald Jr. Duos. Bo Bichette and Laddie. Kyle Lewis and Mark Kanha. Gypsy Queen. This year. Hobby. Brady Senior. Crochet. We got a purple. Braylon Marquez, Tim Anderson, Ryan Braun, Reinhardt, Babiesa, and I feel it's done that before to me. out of 250. Which I guess is fine if it's a good card, but it's a bit odd. They always dupe out. Okay. We'll do the Chrome Gypsy Queen. Not for individual sale. No, that's kind of up to the person, I believe. Chavis, Yamaguchi, and Nico Horner. Good looking cards. Nothing exciting though. Nothing I'd write home about. Not even a rookie. Okay, original 67. Oh, come on. At least it's in a sleeve. Chico Salmon, 67. I like the idea of having a original card though, rather than some other random. Anyway, that's it for today. Y'all have a good day.